This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
The case is about Infobells, which is a leading provider of educational and entertainment content for kids. And if you go to the website, you get to understand what it really is about, right? So this is the kind of content that they are churning out on a regular basis. And if you go, and so interestingly, it is multi-lingual. So there is Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, right? So they are really like a pan-India approach with respect to uh, generating good content. And if you look at the kind of graphics, also these are high quality graphics, right? So they come across as someone who's been in the industry for quite some time. Now, if you go to the YouTube channel, yes, so it is already well uh, monetized, right? So if you go to any of their videos, you will see that you will see ads, and since you know that there's a lot of thought with respect to monetization, but the same cannot be said with respect to the videos on the fan page. So this is what typically happens. Also, people animation content providers, they start with YouTube, and but given the fact that Facebook is now offering new ways of monetizing the content, especially video content on and so this is something which Infobells should look at. And also, given the fact that they are developing a good following on Facebook and Instagram, it is a good idea. So the task at hand is to explore the various monetization options, and then set it up for Infobells. The what you need to know is the various. If you're not sure of what are the different and new ways of monetizing videos on your fan page, for any fan page, there's a very good video that is embedded into the blog post. So have a look at that before attempting the case study. Thank you.